How to register a Bitfinex account. Hello everyone. Bitfinex is known for its strong security measures that help protect users' assets in the cryptocurrency market. In this video, I will guide you through the process of registering a Bitfinex account. To register an account and get special offers from Bitfinex, visit coinaz.net/Bitfinex. Or click on the Bitfinex account registration link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email address, username, password, and select your country of residence. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Then, click Sign Up. Please select all images that best match the sample image. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your inbox. This is the email I received from Bitfinex. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. Then, check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is your verification code. Please copy this code. Then paste it here. Next, you need to download the Google Authenticator app to secure your account. Click Next. Now, I'll guide you through installing the app and scanning the QR code on the screen to receive your verification code. First, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Scan a QR code. Google Authenticator wants to use your camera. Click Allow. Now, scan the QR code provided by Bitfinex. You've successfully added the code to the Google Authenticator app. Now, go back to the Bitfinex website. Click I've linked my code. The final step is to enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Two-factor authentication has now been successfully enabled on your account. Click Login now. Here, enter the email address or username and the password you just created. Then click Login. Next, enter the verification code from the Google Authenticator app. These are the Bitfinex terms of service. After reading and fully understanding the terms, click here to agree. Then, click Submit. Now you need to verify your account. Click Verify. There are 3 levels of verification: basic, intermediate, and full. You should choose full verification to be able to trade and access all features on Bitfinex. To complete full verification, you will need to provide the following information. Then, click Continue and follow Bitfinex's instructions to complete the verification process. I've just shown you how to register a Bitfinex account. Wishing you success.